Lesson 5, Movements in the Body. Question number A, tick the correct options. Which body part is protected by the skull? Brain. How many bones constitute the backbone? 33. The organ which is not protected by the rib cage is the brain. A hinge joint is present in the elbow. An animal having a swim bladder is the fish. The movement possible by the hinge joint is back and forth. Which bone is also known as pelvic bone, hip bone? Gliding joint is found in wrist and ankle. Skull joints have strong fibers. Muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Fill in the blanks. The bony framework inside our body is called the skeleton. The bones at the elbow are joined by hinge joint. The cockroach has two pairs of wings. The snail moves using a muscular organ called the foot. Match the following. ये डायरेक्टली आंसर लिखा गया है. Vertebrae make up the spine. Cartilage acts like a cushion between bones. Ribs protect the heart. Fish streamlined body. Hip bone, also known as the pelvic bone. True or false? A human has an endoskeleton. True. The skull and neck are joined by a pivot joint. True. All the joints of the skull are immovable. False. Contraction and relaxation of muscles help in movement. True. A solid skeleton is present in the body of an earthworm. False. Answer in few words. Name the type of joint that make our body turn from side to side. Pivot joint. What are the curved bones present in our chest known as ribs? Mention how the movements are possible in cockroach. A cockroach moves its legs with the help of muscles. Which feature help a bird in flying? Its shape, hollow bones, and flight and light, strong and powerful flight muscles help a bird in flying. Mention the modification of forelimbs and hind limbs in a bird. The forelimbs are modified to wings and the hind limbs are for walking and sitting on tree branches. Give reasons. Muscles is a fibrous tissue. Muscles are considered fibrous tissue because they are composed of muscles fiber which are long, thin and string-like cells that can contract and relax. Fishes float even when they stop swimming. Fishes can float while swimming due to a special organ called a swim bladder. The bird's body is suited to fly. The bird's body is suited for flying because of its shape, hollow bones, and light, strong, and powerful flight muscles. Answer each in 5 to 6 sentences. Write the main functions of the skull. The main functions of the skull are it protects our brain. It also protects the sense organs such as the eyes, ears, and nose. It also provides attachment points for muscles in the head and neck, enabling movements and facial expressions. State the function of the rib cage. The function of the rib cage are the rib cage protects internal organs like heart, lungs, and the liver. It also takes part in breathing movement. What is a skeleton? Mention the various functions of the skeleton. The bony framework inside our body is called the skeleton. Functions of the skeleton are the skeleton forms the framework of our body, provides shape and support, and holds the body upright. It protects many delicate internal organs of our body. The skull protects the brain. It helps in the movement of various parts of the body. यहाँ मूवमेंट लिखा गया है, MOVEMENT लिखना है, मूवमेंट. Terminal part of long bones produce blood cells. Question number 4. Explain the role of muscles in the movement of bones. The movement of bones are because of the muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones of our skeleton through strong fibers called tendons. So when the muscles attached to a bone contracts, it pulls the bone due to which the bone moves to the joint. Contraction and relaxation of muscle help the movement of bones. Explain the movements in birds. Most birds are capable of flying. The bird's body is suited for flying because of its shape, hollow bones, and light, strong, and powerful flight muscles. The forelimbs are modified to wings, and hind limbs are for walking and sitting on tree branches.